hope you had a wonderful weekend and did lots of fun things. This is Miss Huffman from Glenwood Elementary School, here to do first grade math. And our warm-up today is going to be different. We're not going to do subtraction. We are going to do counting, because in first grade, one of the things we have to do is count to 150 and be able to start anywhere on that number line and count to 150. So are you ready? Here we go. Let's start at the number 59 and count to 150. So let's do our motions. Ready? 59, 60, 70. I'm a little nervous. Hey, Sebastian, I love you. Can you just give me a kiss to make me feel better? Thanks, Sebastian. Ready? 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Remember to cut the and out. No ands. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150. Good job. So today's goal, and I'm going to move this so you can see, and it should not be backwards. It should be all lovely and wonderful. So let me go around. Today's goal is 1.OA.1. Represent and solve addition and subtraction word problems within 20 with the unknowns by using objects, drawings, and equations with a symbol for the unknown number to represent the problem when solving. And we have three types of these problems. We have add to and take away, from, change unknown. We have put together and take apart, add in unknown. We have compare differences unknown. Today we're going to focus on this one right here, and we're going to use both addition and subtraction equations at the end to do the change unknown. So I'm going to move my camera up so that you can see. I got a new gadget to help Miss Huffman out on her videoing. So here is our math problem for the day. Let me get it all situated and turn it down a little bit. Okay, I hope you guys can see that. Okay, all right. So this comes straight out of our math packet. I do not know which page it was because Miss Huffman dropped the packet and it went scattering everywhere. So I assure you this problem is in your packet. So it says, there were 6 cookies on the tray. Let me see if I can get you a little bit closer. Can you see that? Let's see. I'm playing. Oh, there we go. There's the problem. Okay. It says there were 6 cookies on the tray. Mom put some more on the tray. Wonder how many more she put. Now there are 13. How many cookies did Mom put on the tray? So just like when we are reading in a story, we have to solve and figure some things out. So in this problem, we know that I put 6 cookies on the tray, right here. That's important information. Mom put some more. That's a big question mark because I don't know how many more she put. But now I have 13. So this is my total. I know how many I have. I know how many I put down, but I don't know how many Mom put down. So we're going to work this problem out with some manipulatives, and I just happen to have some cookies. So here's my tray. I'm going to turn it this way. So to begin with, I had how many cookies? 6. That's right. Hi, Matthew. Mwah. So I'm going to put my 6 cookies on my tray. And if you don't have cookies, you can use whatever manipulatives you have to help your children with this problem. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Little crumbs. It's okay. Now, this is the 6 that I put on my tray. Mom put some more. So that's the change unknown. I don't know how many Mom put. I know that I have 13 on my tray. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue on counting, and I'm going to put my cookies on this side. And when I get to the number, what's my total again? Does anybody know? Can you tell me what my total is? Did you say 13 is my total? So help me count on. We were at 6, and we're going to count on, and we're going to stop at the number 13. So here we go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now, did Mom put 13 cookies on the tray? No. Remember, 13 was our total number of cookies. I put 6 cookies over here. So how many did Mom put for me to have a total of 13? How many Oreos do I have over here? Does anybody know how many Oreos are on this side of my tray? Did I hear the number 7? You would be absolutely correct. I can also solve this problem with a picture. And on this one, I'm going to move my tray over. And I'm going to move this over here. I'm going to go down just a little bit so you can see this. Okay, so I'm going to use a parts equal total structure. So the way I draw this is I'm going to draw a big old rectangle. Now, my cookies are kind of in the way. I had how many? How many cookies did I have on my tray? 13. So I'm going to draw 13 boxes. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You know this happens. 13. So this is 13. This is my total number of cookies. Now, how many cookies did I put on the tray to begin with? So let's look at my tray. How many of my cookies were the Easter cookies? Let me see if I can. Did I hear someone say 6? You would be absolutely correct. So I'm going to quickly color in 6 of my boxes. 1, 2, 3. Remember, you're supposed to stay in the lines. 4, 5, 6. So this is one of my parts. And how many was it? 6. Good job. So that leaves over here my change unknown. And we've already figured out that that change unknown was what? Did you say 7? You would be absolutely correct. But let's check it to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I would write the sentence. Let me bring it over here so you can see me write my sentence. And I'm going to pull it up just a little. You can see my arm, okay? So my sentence would be, Mom added 7 more cookies to the tray. Now I can do my math equation to go with my problem. So, what was one of my parts, one of my add-ins? Who remembers the first add-in that was in our equation up here at the top? Can anybody tell me what the first number was that we started out with, that I put on the tray? Did somebody say 6? You're so smart. So, I'm going to write 6. Then I'm going to say plus something, my mystery box, equaled, and what was my total? How many did I have to begin with on the tray? The total was 13. And we saw that our change unknown was 7. It was 7 on our cookie tray, 7 Oreos, yummy. It was 7 on our parts equal total structure, our model here that we drew. And guess what? In our equation, the answer is also going to be 7. So that's how I would solve it with an addition equation. I can also use a subtraction equation. So when I do subtraction, I have to start with which number in a subtraction problem. Do you guys remember which problem? What do I start with? Would I start with the 6? No. Would I start with the 7? No. I would start with the 13. That's right. So I'm going to write 13, subtract something, because remember, it's the change unknown that we're trying to find here, and it equaled 6. And again, what was our number that we found? Did I hear you say 7? You would be absolutely correct. 7 it is. So all nice and neat and tidied. Guys, don't let these problems trick you. Hi. Don't let these problems trick you. You are smart and you can do it. You just have to look inside that word problem. Just like when you read a story, sometimes you have to think and infer. And just like in math, you have to do that as well. You have to look at the problem. You have to think about what's missing. Is it a change unknown? Is it a missing add-in? Is it a comparing? That's right, guys. And then just draw it out and solve it with those wonderful equations that I know you know how to write. Come back tomorrow and I will do another word problem from our packet. It's on that same page, but we're going to do adding 3 whole numbers together. So it's going to be a different standard, but it's still going to be a word problem that I know you guys can help me solve. I love you very much, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Mwah.